Alright, we just got this one in, the 2006 Ford F-250. It's a gold and black combination two-tone. 6.0 power stroke. It's got about 203,000 miles. It is the Lariat, so it's got Lariat seats, tan leather interior, power windows, power locks, has plastic floor mats, or rubber floor mats, 4x4. Cranks right up, of course. Set the LED light. Really nice truck, running boards, tires are brand new. Tow package has the brackets for the fifth wheel. Really clean all around. Nice looking truck. Headlights are really nice, not faded. Like I said, tires are like front right here. Alloy wheels. Really nice and clean truck. Come check it out at Ortiz Motorsports, and you can check it out on our website, www.ortizmotorsports.com. You can also apply online to see if you can get it financed. Thank you.